Wednesday, Bahrain. Welcome back to the Lovin Bahrain Show, your daily source for everything trending, buzzing, and happening across our beautiful island. I'm your host, Rama, and today we have the news everyone has been praying for. A massive long weekend has officially been locked in. We're also diving into an elite global sports milestone for the kingdom, a message of deep regional solidarity, and a dramatic double-sided weather shift that is about to hit us this Thursday. Let's get right into the updates. First up, let's start with the absolute best news of the week. Get ready to turn off your morning alarms because a massive 4-day-long weekend is officially here. His Royal Highness Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa, the Crown Prince and Prime Minister, has officially issued a circular declaring the public holiday in observance of Ashura. All ministries, government departments, and public institutions will be closed on Thursday, June 25th, and Friday, June 26th. And because Friday is already a weekend day, it's being fully compensated with Sunday, June 28th off. Have a fantastic, restful break, everyone. You've earned it. From long weekends to making history on the global sports stage, the iconic Bahrain International Trophy has officially been upgraded to an elite Group 1 status race by the Asian Racing Federation. This is a phenomenal milestone for the Bahrain Turf Club and His Highness Sheikh Isa bin Salman. It marks the first ever top-level global horse racing contest to be held right here in the kingdom. To celebrate this proud achievement, the prize money has been boosted to a staggering $1.5 million for the big race on November 13th. Bahrain is officially cementing its place among the absolute elite of world-class horse racing. Moving on to a message of unity and regional solidarity. Following a tragic operational accident at a gas facility in Qatar's Ras Laffan industrial city, the Kingdom of Bahrain has swiftly come forward to stand firmly by our neighbors. Bahrain issued an official statement extending our deepest, most heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims and the people of Qatar. Alongside Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Oman, the entire GCC has united to offer prayers for those affected and to wish a swift, full recovery to the injured. It's a poignant reminder of the unbreakable family bonds that connect our nations during tough times. And finally, let's talk about the weather because a major atmospheric shakeup is happening this Thursday. Today, we are sweating through a blistering 44 degrees Celsius, with humidity threatening to touch a suffocating 90%. But the Meteorological Directorate says relief is on the way. Starting Thursday, a wave of strong northwesterly winds is moving in. The good news, it's going to absolutely crush the humidity, making it feel way more bearable outside, even if the temperatures stay hot. The catch? These intense gusts are going to kick up dust and sand on the roads, temporarily dropping visibility. Plus, a marine warning has been issued as sea waves surge in open waters. So if you had outdoor or boating plans for the long weekend, consider this your cue to swap them for a cozy indoor staycation instead. Before we sign off, we want to know, now that Sunday is officially off, how are you planning to spend your 4-day-long weekend? Let us know your ultimate indoor hideouts in the comments below. That is it for today's Lovin Bahrain Show. Make sure to hit that follow button, share this episode, and stay safe and cool out there. Once again, I'm Rama. Bye.